You must have seen a fictional city in a movie that you liked a lot, and you wanted to live there for at least a short time. Maybe you were thinking about that city and wanted to change something in it or introduce some new rules, maybe even currency. You think it's impossible, but you're wrong. This is possible, and it's exactly what a famous musician did. If you did not create your city from imagination, in the future you will have the opportunity to visit someone's city from imagination. Are you ready? Welcome to the Apex channel. In today's video, we will talk about Akon's future city, what the city will look like, and when its construction will be completed. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification to not miss more videos like this. If you've done all this, we can get started. Recording artist Akon has big plans for his upcoming smart city in Senegal. The new $6 billion development is called Akon City and will fulfill the star's wish to provide a refuge for members of the African diaspora, both near and far. In addition to the 2,000-acre resort, condos, and stadium, the metropolis has also planned to run on renewable energy and mainly use Akoin, the singer's cryptocurrency. This city is located in the heart of Cadastro de Mbodine Park. Such a location is easily accessible to commuting as well as to the general public. Physically present within the beautiful landscape of water and surrounding nature. Open spaces will be planted with native trees and flowers merging into the landscape, yet standing separate along the lines of constructed and drawn pathways. Walking along with nature and water into the heart of the development, the residential building will reflect a walk in a creative man-made forest that renders the combination between nature, planet with culture transferred into a futuristic creation. The pathways linking the buildings are a reinterpretation of the human geometry of communication. So, where do you think the inhabitants of the city will be housed? The residential building project is positioned at the pinnacle of luxury. The goal of the design is to exceed the expectations of developers and end users, both in the current visual impact and in long-term practicality. Each single living unit is conceived of as a rare treasure, a must-have for a society member. As a boutique building, it communicates a prestigious life both from the inside and the outside. Discerning residents will choose these apartments for their visionary spaces, the luxury of being served by state-of-the-art and built-in interactive systems, and the numerous superb facilities. Within the city, various districts are created, such as the Educational District, Technology, Health and Safety, Entertainment, and other districts. And until the city is built and we have a chance to go, here we will talk about what each of these districts should look like. Well, let's take turns. Education District is a symbol of Senegal identity, committing to its campus of being a unique contemporary environment that delivers learning as a transformative experience for all people, irrespective of their origins, age, and circumstances. Akon says that this inclusive campus is a place where learning is a part of the community's way of life, a vision for a better future for the youngs of Africa, with hopes of becoming a beacon of learning and creativity. The campus will accommodate the number of students as per the international standard. Approximately 15 square meters required area per student will be able to expand as the community develops and as new requirement rises as our world evolves at a swift pace. The campus interior layout, function, circulation classrooms, and offices will be designed based on the final brief. It will be developed in the early stages of the concept design, and it will aim to reflect futuristic learning while accommodating current requirements as to what the future of education will evolve within anticipated needs. Since every modern and big city requires good health and well-organized medical care, this smart city will have a hospital in its central part. Innovation will change the hospital experience. As in most sectors, the hospital of tomorrow is already starting a connected revolution. Current experience presents connected objects, robots, floors, walls, furniture, and smart accessories. The hospital and the outpatient clinic will reflect the academic excellence where new treatments are being discovered, new healthcare professionals are being trained, and cutting-edge developments are being put into practice. Akon medical education and research programs will be the legacy for the future and demonstrate the commitment to the patients who will need us tomorrow. In addition to the educational district, the city will also have a technical district represented through Tech Park. To facilitate the successful adaptation and take-up of these ideas in the marketplace, The technology park provides cooperation with scientific research institutes and laboratories, financial consulting and assistance in obtaining venture capital, professional, technical, administrative, and legal assistance, information and telecommunications services, and supportive business infrastructure. By editing the development of local economies, they help create new jobs, attract foreign capital, and increase local and national competitiveness. A hospital, school, shopping mall, homes, police station, waste center, and solar power plant are supposed to be completed in 2023, and the whole city by 2030. The period is approaching when one part of the city will be finished, and we believe that it will attract huge media attention. This may speed up the construction process, so the whole city will be completed before 2030, which would be great. Tourism is a very important thing for this future city, and a lot has been done here to attract a large number of tourists. The two most important attractions here are the sports stadium and casino. A huge casino will be a place where you can enjoy and relax, and who knows, maybe you'll get rich. True sports fans can't wait to enter the stadium. Even when they find out that the stadium will be big enough to host Olympic Games, the excitement will be even greater. Well, future tourists, decide whether to visit the casino or the stadium first. But one thing is for sure, whatever you choose, you'll enjoy it. You see that things come true from imagination, although it takes a little more time. After all you've heard, what's your opinion? Do you think that this city will be built in a couple of years? We'd like to hear your opinion, so leave us a comment in the section below. If you like this video, smash that like button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. That's it for today.